Hi, I'm Mark Anthony, and in this video I'm going to talk to you about microbes. We teach a class called Intuitive Anatomy in Theta Healing, and it's a really powerful class. It's a 15-day class. And on the first day we discuss microbes. So microbes are all parasites, viruses, fungus, bacteria, and heavy metals, also other toxins like chemical sensitivities like Wi-Fi networks, etc., radiation, all that sort of stuff. And so parasites are basically related to your boundaries. If you have boundary issues, then you're generally going to have parasitical energies in your body, but you can also have parasitical energies in your life. So you may have people in your life that are taking advantage of you, sucking you dry, draining your energy. And it's really important to be healing those things, allowing yourself to have really strong boundaries with people, and that will help you with when it comes to parasites. Viruses relate to worthiness. So anytime a person has a virus, you're working on worthiness issues, being worthy of living the life that they desire, feeling good enough. And a lot of our society, a lot of our life is conditioned to make us think that we're not good enough, that we don't do this, we don't do that. And it can actually create a lot of problems for ourselves. And so dealing with your worthiness issues is really important. Bacteria relates to guilt. And guilt is one of those emotions that serves nobody. There's no benefit to you holding on to guilt. If you've done something in the past that has hurt another person, it's really important that you're able to forgive yourself and move beyond that situation. In most cases, we didn't intentionally try to hurt somebody or do something wrong. It's just allowing ourselves to release that guilt, because as long as you're holding on to that guilt and even regret, you stop yourself from really moving forward. And fungus relates to resentment. Resentment is one of the key things that will actually stop you from moving forward in your life. As long as you're resenting yourself or others, what that's going to do is it's going to stop you from moving forward, because what it is resentment is your subconscious mind's tool to keep you safe. If a boy grows up in an environment where his father is physically abusive, that resentment builds up. The boy moves out of the house. All of a sudden, he's no longer being physically hurt. He's feeling better about himself. He's feeling more confident. And most importantly, he's feeling safe. So the subconscious thinks this is the best thing that's ever happened to him. So what happens is it constantly plays that resentment over and over and over again in the mind. And it's got to be running 24 hours a day to ensure your safety. And so it's keeping you safe. It's actually taking up a lot of your brain's energy or your mind's energy from focusing on your manifestations and the things that you truly desire in your life. So releasing your resentments will actually help you to allow more of your manifestations into your life. And resentments is probably one of the biggest causes of ill health in our society today, because it just eats away at us. So it's really important to release your resentments. So what I'll do now is give you some downloads in relation to those areas. So what we're going to do is teach you what it feels like to have boundaries, that it's safe and possible for you to have boundaries with people that you love and care about. Teach you what it feels like to live without allowing people to take advantage of you. Teaching you how to live without allowing people to drain your energy or to take your energy. And we'll teach you what it feels like to be worthy, what it feels like to be worthy of the Creator's love, what it feels like to be worthy of self-love, and what it feels like to be worthy of achieving your desires and your manifestations. And it's safe and possible for you to achieve your desires and manifestations. And we'll teach you what it feels like to live without regret, teach you what it feels like to live without guilt, that it's safe and possible to live without regret and guilt, and teach you that it's safe and possible for you to forgive yourself for past mistakes. Teach you how to live without dwelling on your past mistakes, and teach you that you can move forward beyond your past mistakes. And we'll also teach you how to live without resentment, that it's safe and possible to live without resentment and who you are without resentment, and teach you what it feels like to forgive yourself. Teach you what it feels like to forgive others, and that you can allow yourself to move forward, and that you know how to move forward in a loving and easy way. So if you like these downloads and you'd like to receive them, then just say yes. Okay, cool. So thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and share it with your friends. Share it with people that you care about, that can get a benefit from this video. So thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.